stop. They were like curling up and like swirling perfectly.
Yeah, this is beautiful compared to when I was doing it, grinding.
Through with the first bit.
Oh, dancing, man. So this is how race day showed up. Good day, and then I started tweaking on shit, and then shit started happening, and then
yeah, it's one broken bolt away from a 3-hour ordeal.
One broken bolt. Look at this. I snapped a fuel rail bolt. So yeah. Oh, after all the complications this morning, we made it. My shit properly fucking warmed up now. 170 cooler temp after the drive. I got a thermostat delete kit on here, and I'm gonna tell you what, that motherfucker works well. As you can see, my shit's 172. I got no chiller though. My shit's at 91, but I tell you what, this Kong stays nice and chill. It's fucking warm out here. Go park up with the boys back here. We got the Jeeps. Now I just gotta open my fucking hood, let my shit fucking cool down. So I drove like an hour to get here in fucking 495 traffic. And we were ready. We're ready to fucking blast this bitch this morning. That's the only bad thing. Fucking hood hates me. My hood hates me. Twin turbos.
Hey, you keep wearing that shirt. All good things happen.
We got the Kong 2650. 3.8. Now the 3.0. The multiple varieties. And snails. Whole row of killers. Killers. Except for this one. It's a gentle beast. This is not kill mode. This is just custom mode. My Jeep is slow. Don't ever trust these timers right here though. These are a trip. I'm on my way to, I have to go fill up on some E. Can't do any more runs. I should have stopped before I got to the track, but I didn't, so my shit is fucking low on fuel. Damn, 259. This is legitly gonna take 18 gallons. What the fuck? Bro, what the fuck? All these damn questions before you pump. What the hell? So yeah, thinking 18 gallons, 50-mile range left. Well, 17, come on. 18, stop at 18. So I can be right. Oh no. Boom. Tell me if you don't know that fucking car. Yep. That's from driving it all the time. You fucking know. I got a full tank. Too damn heavy. I might do another run though later. And now we chilling in Draghwk. Getting ready to put this beast on the track after they prep it a little bit more. Nice temp, 68. My tires are just spinning. I didn't want to roll with a drag pack today because I'm on stock axles and I don't want to fucking bust them up. Even though we got like a million pair at the shop, I could just put in there, but to cut my time right now. So my car is still running. It's running good. It's parked over there on the side, just chilling. This bitch is moving out today. It's moving. Hello. Look at the boys. Congrats, Draghwk. You got it, Mel. $177, baby. Mel, your shit is moving, my boy. What a fucking pass, dude. What a fucking pass. I'm not even playing. Look what I just found. I just saw some shreds of belt. That's why my shit is like this. If anybody wants to know, I don't change it because I've lost 4 fucking belts. And that shit just keeps beating my hood up. But now my shit skipped a fucking damn tooth. It's not completely. That shit. The fuck? I need a tensioner. Greg. Need to put that tensioner on here, man. My shit's slipping. Always something. And the sun sets on a beautiful day.
Yeah, fat boy. Oh, who? Yeah, fat boy.
8-1. 8 fucking 1. My God. Now we gotta do something with this. You know, it's usually just me riding around waiting to bite somebody's head off that rolls up on me that wants to play. And now we got 4 killers rolling. Slow. Everybody's passing us. Like the sport mode, so I had 8th gear. I was rolling in track mode, 7th.